Hi, my name is John Chai, and I'll be doing the presentation for the module of the sustainability and the environment. This coursework is the sustainability and the global business environment, a stakeholder analysis of Airbus industry. Sustainability in the aerospace industry for Airbus industry. Airbus is being a leader in sustainability by exploring the use of hydrogen power and sustainable fuels. Newer models like the A350 is also capable of lowering fuel usage and reduce emissions. Some of the sustainability challenges that Airbus are facing are greenhouse gas and climate change, the cradle-to-grave environmental effects, supply chain operations and manufacturing. Leading by example, by designing zero-emission aircraft and sustainable fuels, Airbus is at the forefront of the aviation industry and thus setting the benchmark in the aviation industry. In this way, not only did it meet regulatory demands and societal expectations, it also ensures financial stability and boosts the confidence of shareholders, thus also driving innovations along the way and setting the industry standards. Key sustainability issues. With statistics showing that aviation industry being responsible for 2 to 3% of the global carbon dioxide emissions, Airbus is facing growing pressures to minimize its impact on the environment. The whole life cycle of the aircraft, from manufacturing to maintenance, and finally the decommissioning stage, will have considerable effects on the environment. In order to mitigate the undesirable effects on the environment, Airbus is adopting the circular economy approach to production, which is utilizing key digital technologies like 4.0 and 5.0. ESG principles. Companies with robust ESG principles approaches tend to outperform others financially in the long run, largely thanks to enhanced risk mitigation. Coming to the ecological, social, and economic interrelation, the background. The existing eco-design method, which only focuses on mitigating the impact on the environment, is inadequate. As such, there should be a more comprehensive approach towards green design with 3 or 5 frameworks, which is the cost, environmental impact, and social impact. The process. Multi-attribute decision-making framework and the sustainability index is a basis to measure and equalize the trade-off between these frameworks. The impact. Sustainability matrix being forth in early blueprint phase. Social and circular economy elements integration into aerospace design. Some of the stakeholders which are in relation to Airbus sustainability issues are stakeholder number one, the government. Government shape Airbus trajectory through regulatory frameworks, environmental policies, and financial backing. Specifically, European Union policies, including emission trading and sustainable requirements, incentivize Airbus to adopt eco-friendly technologies and prioritize transparent reporting. Stakeholder number two, the NGOs. The NGOs help communities by speaking up for their needs and pushing the aviation industry to be more environmentally friendly and socially responsible. By pushing companies like Airbus to adopt more sustainable practices, NGOs can make a difference, especially when they are working together with government and private sector. Engaging with stakeholders and NGOs are crucial to tackle aviation environmental challenges like emission and resource consumption. Stakeholder number three, the local communities. Local communities like Airbus is working with people and communities to make its sustainability efforts better for environment and society. They are focusing on designing eco-friendly products, assessing their full life cycle impact, and partnering with others on new technologies. By sourcing locally and investing in community projects, the company can foster trust and deliver benefits to local people. Stakeholder number four, the employees. Airbus believes its employees are making important for making sustainability and community goals happen. They encourage workers to lead projects and help communities through the Airbus Foundation. Critical analysis. Aerospace industry, including Airbus, face a lot of pressure to reduce environmental impact, driven by people scrutinizing global supply chain and wanting more sustainable practice. The challenges they are facing are the aerospace needs to reuse and recycle more, but it's hard because of complicated system and strict safety rules. Big obstacles include not enough supply and demand network. There's not enough policy support and a lot of financial and technical risk. Recommendation. Some of the recommended steps which Airbus can adopt to further strengthen its sustainability practices by aligning the stakeholder expectations. To get stakeholders involved in decision making, organizations can increase the transparency, resilience, and accountability, build trust, and balance a lot of expectation, creating shared sustainability value. By integrating environmental, social, and governance consideration with specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, which is SMART, companies can adopt a multifaceted approach to sustainability that not only drives financial growth and enhances brand reputation, but also mitigate environmental degradation and foster a culture of social responsibility, ultimately yielding long-term benefits for shareholders, stakeholders, and the broader community alike. And also a clear ESG goals help companies to track progress and show value, even if Airbus doesn't share all its plans. Conclusion. Airbus leads in sustainability with zero emission aircraft and sustainable fuel, addressing climate risks and stakeholder expectation for environment accountability. Airbus sustainability efforts have also strengthened its finances and attracted more investors. Airbus sustainability efforts, driven by innovation and engagement, enhance both social and business value. As such, the continued success of Airbus as a leader in sustainability depends on the transparency, the supply chain integration, and the leadership commitment. Thank you.